Hello, Eve. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm good. I have a question regarding the zero. Before the existence of zero, how the people were calculating or counting the things.
Before zero came along, people still counted, just without that handy nothing symbol. They used things like pebbles, notches on sticks, or fingers. If you had 5 sheep, you'd put 5 stones in a pile. When all the sheep ran off, you'd have 0 stones? Nope. Just an empty pile. No word for it. So they got clever. Egyptians scratched lines on papyrus, like tally marks. Romans used letters. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10. No 0, so big numbers got long, like MMM meant 4,000. Messy, right? In
Yeah.
India, around 2,000 years ago, they finally said, hey, we need a way to say nothing. And boom, 0 was born. It let them write 10 instead of 1 and a blank. Made math way easier. Want to try counting like them? Grab some coins and pretend they're sheep.
No,
See how far...
I got the thing. What you want to tell me.
Yeah?
Another
Go
thing.
on. What's the thing?
Another thing that I want to know. After
Got
9, if they are saying 8, 9, do they skip
No, they didn't skip anything. After 9, they'd just keep going. Like, 10 wasn't a thing yet, so they'd say 1 and 10 or 10 and 1, depending on where they were from. In Old Babylon, they'd use a little wedge mark for 10, like 10 pebbles stacked together. Then 11 would be 10 and 1, 12, 10 and 2, and so on. No 0, so no neat 10 on its own. It was like counting on your fingers. After 10, you'd start over with a new group. Messy, but it worked. Want me to show you how they'd write 20 without 0?
Yeah, you can tell me.
Yeah. So, like I was saying, after 9, they'd just keep going. 10 wasn't a word yet. They'd say something like, 1 group of 10, or 10 and 1 for 11. It worked, but it was slow. Imagine trying to write down 100 without 0. You'd have to use a whole bunch of symbols, like 10 tens, or 10 groups of 10. Makes you glad someone finally invented 0, huh? Want to try writing 10 without it?
No.
Just use your fingers. See?
So the 0 was existing somehow, but kind of hidden, and it was used metaphorically.
Yeah, exactly. 0 wasn't a real number yet, but people kinda felt it. Like, they knew nothing existed. They'd say, I have no sheep, or the basket's empty. But they didn't write it down as a symbol. It was more like a quiet idea. In India, before they made the dot for 0, they'd leave a blank space. Like, 1,000 might just be 1 followed by nothing. That blank, that was 0 hiding. So yeah, it was there, metaphorically, just waiting to be named. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Want to try drawing a number like that?
No,
Like, write
I
10, but leave a gap where 0 should be.
I think that's all what I want to know. Nothing else.
Okay,
I will talk to
that was
you later.
Sure, I'm listening. What do you want to talk about?
Nothing. I'll talk to you later.